So, at the previous seminars, we have covered these topics like anchor deployment, anchor registration, domain creation, zone management, how to enroll student, how to create assignment, how to fire the measurement commands. And I'm just giving a recap of all the things. So, starting from the anchor registration. Uh, for anchor registration, first you need to register as a user in our v2.aiori.in portal. Then we have these options anchor management, and in that we have anchor registration. Now coming to our portal, here I am logged in as a faculty and I have these options. The first option is the analytics, menu, manage and services. In the manage section, we have anchor management, anchor registration. So here for the registration of the anchors, we need to upload the QR code that is already given in the device, in the back of the device. Before uploading the QR code, you just need to go through these guidelines. And it is found that many people are registering, just uploading the QR code multiple times, and as a result, the anchor is getting locked. So if the anchor is getting locked, please drop a message in the WhatsApp group so that our team can help with it. And while some individuals are completing the full registration process but not bringing the device online, so it is necessary to complete both the steps for making the device ready for firing the commands. So the first step is that after you registered and giving an approx location, in the anchor list, here the anchor will appear. Second is in this run measurement section, in any of this section, suppose in the DNS query, and if both the anchor is registered in the portal and online, like with proper power supply and internet connection, then it will automatically come in this list. So here we complete the anchor registration, proper anchor registration. Then coming to the domain management, entering the name and the domain name, suppose I'm giving
Ma'am,
as, yes.
ma'am, one small doubt, ma'am. Actually, in the anchor registration part,
Hmm.
when I choose the file to upload, it is always showing that error something went wrong. Please try again.
Can you please tell your anchor name?
1 minute, ma'am. It is INB2 208
218
208
208.
208, ma'am.
Okay, just let me end this demonstration. That after this demonstration, I will help you with the uploading
Okay.
the QR code. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, so now coming to the domains part, I'm just adding a domain. Stack Overflow. So I will put this, go to Please. Great. Then I will check whether I'm entering the correct Slack overflow.com. Submit. So this domain is created over here. You can manage if you do some mistake, you can correct it from here. Then now, if I go to this, okay, now coming to this zone section. Zones is for running queries with multiple anchors. Like I have already created a zone, that is I'm calling it as waste zone. Okay, INV with INV2 127 and INV2 139. Zone area Sindoli, Hubali. Okay, so how to create a zone? Here, by clicking on the Add Zone button, I can select the anchor, select multiple anchors and create a zone. Yes, like I have selected two anchors, Indore and Bhopal. Now if I click on create a zone, I can create a zone. Okay, I'm naming it as zone A. Save. So this zone has been created. And while creating zones, you can find that this green ones are the online anchors while the red are offline. So we will not get the data from the red ones. You can create a zone, but if the anchor is offline, we will not be getting the data. Then our third section is the services section. Here we have two options, run measurement. First, we will run a DNS query. Now from there, I can also add a domain, and from here also I can add a domain. Both are same. I will run a query from any of the anchors. In the hackathon, most probably in the hackathon, you will be firing the queries from your registered anchor only. That will be instructed before the hackathon. Okay. So for now, I am just firing with this IN26. Execute command. Yes, this is executed successfully. So the result will take some time to come. Let me see whether, so data is being processed, please try after a while. Okay, so after showing this pinged and press route, I will again come back to this DNS query and I will check whether the result is generated or not. Okay. For ping, we have two types. One is you can generate a one-time query and also a periodic query. Suppose same thing for like I'm just doing it for sbi.co.in. Again, I am selecting anchor IN26, execute command. Here also query is generated successfully. Report section coming, so the status is running. Let me see whether it's coming. No, still it's running, so I'm not getting any data. Let me see whether this is giving some data. Okay, I will again come back to this. And for running the run query, then run query for the time range for the periodic one, I can select anything like for seconds, interval unit second, 30-second interval time unit minute. Suppose I'm giving it 10. Mm, AIORI anchor. So as the request is sent to the anchors, it will definitely send the data as a response, but it takes some time to return the data. The current status is in queue. Let me check once again whether this still it's running. Okay. In queue. You can see that from the anchor IN26, I have executed this command, and this is the from date to date, and I have executed for 30 seconds interval. Execution started in queue. So it will come after some time, and after it comes, you can generate the result as PNG that will be in a graph format, and also can export the result as JSON. Here, the same thing is also for the zone. Instead of if you want to fire it from multiple anchors, then we will select a domain. We clicking on zone. We will just fire it from here. Now let me check what DNS query. The database present. Please try it. This is for the trace route. Stack Overflow. I'm selecting. I will run with 26. Execute command. Yes. So this is the data from IN26. These are the hops. And here also we can export as CSV, as PDF, and as JSON, the result. Now I will fire the same thing in Zoom. Stack Overflow, clicking on Zoom. This zone I have created recently. Execute command. This will execute it successfully. Yes. Currently, IN45 is not working. Okay, or maybe we will get the result after some time. That's why, but from IN62, we already got the results. This is the results. And yes, the same thing. Export as CSV, PDF, and JSON. The same thing for generating the report. This option, measurement report option, is the same. You will directly land to this report section. Yeah. So it's continuously running, I think. Let me check some older data. Yes. The data will come like this. And here we also have this export result option. Actually, the anchor will be taking some time for generating the data. we work like this. The architecture is designed as fire and forget for the anchors, and the anchor will just measure it and return the data. So here it is taking some time, but it will definitely give the result. So DNS result will come like this, and let me also show some result for ping also. This was run for portal.aiori.in. This is the RTT max, average, and mean we are getting. Here also the same thing. We can export this graph as PNG and export the result as JSON. Some time query report. Let me see whether it has someone note. Yes. The time query, this was run for ping port again for portal.aiori.in with anchor IN V2 141 in Kolkata region. And now you can see the execution status will come as close. This was also run for 30 seconds. Now coming to the faculty features. For faculties, in faculties dashboard, we can find that there is one options enroll student and assignment. Now coming to this enroll student, for enrolling student, you need to, in the right hand side, you can find a enroll button. Here, student's first name, student's last name, email ID, phone number, institution name, and if any, student ID, that is the college ID we are indicating here. So after you enroll, the student will receive a mail in his or her mail ID, and uh, he or she needs to set the password. With that password, they will be able to log in this portal. And on registering, 500 points will be credited to them on their account. 500 points, and 500 points will get deducted from the faculties. Now, for this hackathon, all faculties will be getting bonus points. Okay. 20,000 points will be given, maybe 20,000 points will be given to all the faculties before the hackathon. So here, this is the dashboard for the faculties where faculties can manage each student. After you create a student, this card will appear. How many students you register? 20 to 30 is the limit for registering student. Uh, you can see the point utilization by specific student. You can see the linked queries, that what are the queries that are linked by the specific student, and when check. Though 500 points will be credited to them, still if they need more, you can send them points, and those points will be deducted from the faculty. Remove student and reset password. Here the reset password is for the student. The reset link will be sent in student's mail ID. So this is a dashboard for managing the students. Now coming to these assignments. For creating an assignment, here I have one create assignment button in the right hand side. You can add a specific assignment name. You can choose a file and also add some remarks. But choose file remarks is not mandatory, but assignment name is mandatory. So you can mention the tasks in the remarks itself or in the assignment name itself. Like on the previous day, I have created this one network assignment, and here I have attached one PDF file that run one time query for domains github.com, run press root each zone with anchors like this. And you can change the status from here also. Initially, when you create the assignment, it will be ongoing. And after the assignment is completed, you can mark it as closed. So this is the dashboard view queries. Like for a single assignment, multiple students can execute queries and can link to this particular assignment. So here is the dashboard for the faculties to view those network assignment, like those queries that are being executed by the students. Like I can see here, the student Indrani Mandal have linked this DNS query. I can open it from here. Yes. So the faculty can view from his or her dashboard. This is a trace route, and this is a ping. Uh, so that's all from the faculty side. Now coming to the students part. After the here I have logged in by creating a student's profile. Like Indrani Mondol is a student here. So initially she got 500 points and she used 135 points, and remaining points is 365. Now she have in her dashboard this two. One is assignment. She can see what are the assignments that are created. She can view the PDFs that are being attached, and she can also see the remarks and the assignment name. Then after firing the queries, like say for DNS, after firing the queries, she have one option like link assignment. If I click on this, then a dialog box will open, and here I can she can choose like this is the network assignment, everything. If like completed, okay. So this query is linked to assignment successfully. Okay. Now, if she wants to see that, let me check whether I have uh, properly linked or not. She can view from here also. Yes, it is linked properly. And if there is a mistake, she can delete it and uh, again link some other assignment, some other queries to this particular assignment. So this is the dashboard for student. Here we have ping. The same thing comes to here also. AN26. Network assignment. Query type. For this, as this is a regular query, she needs to select this regular query. Suppose network assignment. Zone. So this is this query executed with only one anchor. So I will not select any zone. Remarks can be empty. Query linked to assignment successfully. And also there is the option for exporting the result. Same thing for the one-time query and the time range query report, and for the traceroute part. link assignment, enter link, and that particular assignment will be added here. This is for the students, and the faculties can view those linked assignment through this view in his or her dashboard through these assignment option like associated measurement log, view queries here. All the associated measurement logs related to network assignment will be listed here by all the students. So yes, that's all from my side regarding the demonstration. You can proceed with the queries. How can we read the reports, ma'am? I mean, what are the metrics and how we have to understand how to generate the same? How can we read the reports? You can find it in we have this last option, that is the services. Okay, and here services or the measurement reports. You can go to this measurement report option, and whatever for any query, like it's for the DNS query, ping or traceroute, you can find the reports over here in the report section. Here, all reports are listed that are executed by that particular user, whether it's a student or a faculty. Then there is a button in the right hand side that show result. Uh, so let me check this first.com one. So why this is happening? GitHub one. Yes, like this you will see the reports. By clicking on the show result button, the report will open. How to generate assignment? Is the assignment to be same or different for each student? It totally depends upon the faculty, like whatever assignment you want to give. And for generating the assignment, this is the second option, that is the menus. Here we have assignment. Then you can find a create assignment button over here. And here, suppose I'm creating one test network assignment. Sorry. Test network network assignment. I'm choosing a file. Suppose I'm choosing a PDF file, example assignment.pdf. Okay. Now I'm clicking on the create button. So this is how we create the assignment. On clicking on the file, we can see that we can see the attachment. And if there is no attachment, you can simply write the assignment name in this dialog box only and click on the create. Like again, I am test 2 creating this. For this also the assignment is created. You can write the assignment name here itself, and in the remarks you can describe the overall assignment. But it is recommendable to maintain a PDF file. Any more queries? How can we understand the reports? How can we understand the reports? In the reports, you can find that there are for paying like the RTT, average, max, means are coming. So here by that you can analyze it. You can use the data for your research purpose, and for DNS query also we are getting from 13 root servers we are getting the data, and what questions we need to give for assignment. Actually, that will be for this hackathon. That will be provided to you. What are the questions that you need to give for the assignment? But this is how we create the assignment. You can create and can check before the hackathon as a demo. So any more question? When we try to register the anchor, the proper location is known. We activate the anchor in our college, but okay. Regarding the issues related to the anchor registration and the anchor deployment, I'm just solving one by one. Uh, if you have any queries related to the portal, then first just asks in this time span, so that I stop the recording over here and I will again connect this call and just continue with the queries related to anchor registration and the deployment. Okay. Okay, so we have two queries related to the anchor registration. First one was INV2 208. Okay, let me check and just solve in this meeting only.